Yes, my dear. Our next topic is referential integrity. Yes, my dear students, referential integrity means how one table is related to the other table. Means suppose that this is our main table and here we write down the subject ID. Suppose that Neelam have a subject SCI 123. This is the subject ID. And Kavita have different subject math 123 and Sonia have different subject English 123. These are the subject ID and we have another one table that have two things. One is subject ID, sub ID, and second one is subject. This table have two fields. One is subject ID. Whatever subject ID is here, same subject ID also in this table, science, and then your math 123 and then your English 123, and science 123 ID for science subject, math 123 ID for math subject, and English 12 ID for English subject. Now this is called referential integrity. Here subject ID also a part of student detail table and the same subject ID also a part of student subject table, and this point is also called foreign key. Means the one field of this table act as a primary key in another table. This point is called foreign key, or you can say this point is also called referential integrity. Means reference of one table exists in another table by which we can fetch data from this and this table. Clear, my dear student, meaning of the referential integrity? Referential integrity means one field of table linked with the another field of a table, that is called referential integrity. Means both tables are integrated but they are integrated in referential manner. Now next topic is here link two tables. Next topic is link table. Yes, my dear student, we can also link the table in LibreOffice base. And how we can set the relationship between tables? We have to follow these tabs. Click on the tools menu. There you will find option relationship. Just click on relationship. When you click on the relationship, a relationship dialog box will appear, and in that it shows the name of the table. Suppose we have two tables. It shows the name of two tables in a box. We just select the name of the table and then click on add button. Select the another table, again click on add button. When you add the both tables and when you add the both table, how they show? Suppose that this is your table number 1 and this is your table number 2. In table number 1 that was student data and ये था इसमें subject data. In student data what field we have? Roll number, name, and then address, and one more field about there, subject ID, is it? And in this table only two field was there, subject ID and subject. When we add the table, it shows the field of the tables like this. Now I want to set the relationship between these two tables. Then how I can do? Just click on this subject ID and then drag and drop in this table. When you drop subject ID from this table to this table, then this kind of line appear in the table. This is called relationship between the table. How we can set? First we have to add the two tables, and after that we just click on the any field of the table 1 and then drop that field into another table, by which we can set the relationship between two tables. Clear, my dear students? In session number 3 we discussed 4 topics. First one is, yes my dear student, first one topic is how to delete the record. Next one is how to set the relationship between table. What do you mean by referential integrity, and how to sort the data in a table. These 4 topics we discussed in today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me.